Nothing scares a homeowner quite like the thought of a flooded basement during a storm. I've been there, and I know that relying on just your main power is a risky bet. To make sure my own setup was bulletproof, I got my hands on the top 5 backup solutions, including 4 battery systems and 1 beast of a pumpy to see which ones actually hold up when the lights go out. Here is what I found. Product number 1, Via Pumpo 2500 watt backup system. Starting with the heavy hitter, the Via Pumpo 2500 watt system. When I pulled this out of the box, it felt serious. It's got some real weight to it, which is usually a good sign for electronics. The standout feature here is the pure sine wave output. Basically, it gives you clean electricity just like your wall outlet, which is way safer for sensitive pump motors than cheaper inverters. I hooked up a deep cycle battery, and the 25 amp charger topped it up surprisingly fast. I really appreciated the LCD remote. Instead of crawling into a dark corner to check voltage, I mounted the screen at eye level to keep tabs on the battery status. It handled a heavy load without overheating, thanks to the internal cooling fans. If you have a massive pump and need maximum power to sleep easy, this is the one I'd trust. Product number 2, OLTP 1500W Sump Pump Battery Backup. Then there's the OLTP 1500 watt system. This one feels a bit more approachable if you aren't an electrician. Installation was a breeze. I just connected the cables, plugged in my pump, and it was ready. It's got 1500 watts, which is plenty for most standard basement setups. It sounds small, but if the power is out for days, you can actually charge your phone right off your sump pump backup. It switches to battery power instantly when I cut the AC power to test it. The remote has an LCD screen too, keeping you updated on the battery health. If you want a solid, user-friendly choice that does double duty as an emergency charger, this is a great pick. Product number 3, Cantonape 2000W Backup System. Moving on to the Cantonape 2000 watt system. This sits right in the middle power-wise. Holding it, the casing feels rugged enough to live in a damp basement environment without issues. It doesn't have the fancy remote screen of the others, but it does have a clear LED display right on the unit to monitor your voltage, so you aren't guessing if your battery is dead or not. I tested the auto switch feature by yanking the cord, and the transition was seamless. My pump didn't even stutter. Like the others, it needs a 12V battery, but once that's hooked up, it acts like a generator. Since it's 2000 watts, I also tried running some emergency lights off it, and it worked perfectly. If you need more juice than the 1500 watt models but don't want to overspend on the top tier, this is your sweet spot. Product number 4, Wayne 1 HP Submersible Pump. Now a backup system is useless without a great pump, so I tested the Wayne 1 HP Submersible Pump. To be clear, this isn't a battery inverter, it's the muscle you plug into those inverters. The first thing I noticed was the build quality. It's cast iron and stainless steel, not cheap plastic. It feels indestructible. I dropped it in the pit, and the integrated vertical float switch is a great design choice because it doesn't get stuck on the walls like those tethered ball switches do. It moves 6,100 gallons per hour, which is honestly overkill for light rain but a lifesaver for heavy storms. It's surprisingly quiet too. If your current pump is old or unreliable, you should grab this to pair with your battery backup system. Product number 5, ZTAWLE 1500W Backup System. Finally, we have the ZTAWLE 1500 watt system. This looks and feels very similar to the OLTP, but I noticed the response time is incredibly sharp, about 12 milliseconds to switch from grid to battery. That speed is crucial so your pump doesn't lose momentum during the switch. The wired remote is nice because the cable is nearly 15 feet long, so I could route the display way up the wall and check the power status without bending down. It supports fast charging for the battery, which is key if you have intermittent power outages. It has 3 AC outlets, so I could plug in the main pump and a secondary device simultaneously. For a set-it-and-forget-it solution that keeps you informed via that LCD screen, this is a strong contender. There you have it. Whether you need massive power or just a reliable safety net, one of these will keep your basement dry when the grid goes down. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current pricing and see which one fits your setup. Thanks for watching and stay dry out there.